Hey everybody, real quick test. I've got a box of Winchester super suppressed 9mm 147 grain subsonic. Says ballistics at the muzzle, it's doing 990. 5 yards is 985, 25 yards is 967. Anyway, I picked this stuff up today. I wanted to give it a go in my Glock 48 with the Rebel Silencer suppressor. This is the DFNDR9. It's the DFNDR9 Glock 48 with the threaded barrel I just got from Brownell's. It's the Brownell's name brand. I haven't chambered around yet. I haven't shot it. I haven't done nothing. I installed it, put the suppressor on, and came out. The suppressor, I've shortened it. It's actually has 2 more baffles, so it would normally be about right here, but I shortened it down, make it about the size of the pistol. Looks a little better. We'll see how it sounds. Got a mag loaded up, ready to go. So let's see what we got. Not too bad. Hearing safe, seems to run okay. Winchester super suppressed black box through Glock 48 with the TLR6 and DFNDR9, which it got a little loose on me there. I needed to tighten it back down before I shoot again. But yeah, neat little package. I'll have to test accuracy some other time, but the only thing about the Brownell's barrel is it did not come with the thread protector, so I'll have to get one of those. But not a bad little package. Hearing safe, even with those 2 baffles taken out. And she seemed to shoot okay. Like I said, I'll have to do an accuracy test later. So anyway, thank you.